Hey guys, it's Hung here from Flow Brackets. We're here today with this Genesis GV70. We're going to show you how to get rid of this OEM plinth, and let's get started. So our kits are designed as a two-part mounting system. So we have the plinth that replaces the OEM box, and you have to buy the corresponding bracket to suit your number plate. So in this case, we're going to install a slimline to a slimline bracket. So for this car, we've designed two plinth delete kits. So we've got one that fits into the factory grille right about there, and we've also got a relocation kit that also goes just below this radar if you want to mount your number plate down here. So we're going to show you how to mount each of them, and I'll show you how to do it now. All right, first thing we've got to do is just remove the screws for the plate and then remove this OEM plinth. For our OEM plinth delete kit, these holes go into these factory little indentations. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to drill these out with a 3mm drill bit, and then we're going to mount our plinth into that location. So now all we have to do is mount the bracket to the car. Alternatively, you can use our new relocation kit, which moves the number plate from the grille to down here and just mounts nice into there. So we'll show you how to apply it now. First things first is we just got to clean the surface down, so give it a good, nice clean like that before we apply the adhesion promoter. So this allows the double side tape to stick a lot nicer to the car. So we're just going to apply it under this area here, onto this surface and on the bottom. And then all we'll have to do is peel off the tape and then install the plinth into the gap. So just push down the bumper a little bit and then press nice and firmly and hold it there, and there you go. All right, with this kit, we also provide extra screws that you can mount into the holes if you want extra security. However, for this install, we're just going to use the double side tape option. All right, so all we're going to do now is install the bracket, just align the holes, install the bolts. So now we've finished installing the plinth on the front, we're going to get started on installing the bracket on the rear. So why do you need a bracket on the rear? So in this case, we've got a slimline. We're just going to install a slimline plate. But if you have a larger plate, such as a signature or a heritage, you would like to run one of our brackets on the rear. We'll show you how to do that. So if you have a heritage plate and want to mount it on the rear of this GV70, you're going to need to use a heritage bracket. So what we're going to do is just mount the bracket into the factory holes like this. And you can use one of our spacers if you wanted to space it off the back of the car. Just got to adjust it. There you go. There you have it, our nice and easy install for the Genesis GV70. So you can either pick between our OEM plinth delete kit, which just goes into the grille, or the lower relocation kit that goes into the bumper. Just keep in mind that the lower mount is only recommended for narrow plates, as it might interfere with the radar. So if you do have larger plates, it's recommended that you mount it at the top. Otherwise, you might have some issues. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.